Okay, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be playing Don't Press the Button. Ah, why am I getting chased? Kill him, kill him, kill him. Let's go, let's go. Die. Bro, why were they all after me? Dead, dead, dead. Potion! Alright, let's drink it. I don't know what it did, but okay. Me. Let's go, first one. Oh, where am I going? Oh, wait. You guys hear that fart noise at the end? Oh, that's crazy. Alright, let's go again, let's go again. Wait, I have a poop hat now. Oh, good thing I did not go in. Oh, snowball fight, snowball fight. Let's go, hit them, hit them. Got him. Die. 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 Oh, come on, come on. One shot, one shot, one shot. Let's go, let's go. Come on, come on. Let's go! No survivors left but myself. Roll it. Oh, let's go. I got this, I got this. All I have to do is walk. No, I'm not in the lead. I need to be in the lead. I need to win. I did not win. Oh, yo! Let's go, let's go. My diamond? My coin? Oh, barely. Oh, there's a diamond that way, so I'll... Oh, that was close. Watch out. Come on, come on. Oh, let's go. Oh, lots of people died. Oh, try not to get found. Alright, let's go. Where am I? The guy's just trying to be with me. No, I'm out, I'm out, I'm out. Where am I going? Alright, let's go. Oh, okay, I know the hack, I know the hack. Get up on the tree, zoom in, and just start clicking. Just keep clicking, clicking. This is the best way to win. It's the best way. Come on, come on! I better win. This is the hack. All you gotta do is click and walk up to the tree. Did I win? Yep. I still have that poop thing on my head. Alright, let's see what's on the shop. Oh, bomb? Don't worry, I'll protect all of you. Alright. Oh yeah, particles. Man face. Need more diamonds. Oh. Alright, let's escape this maze. Where is the exit? It has to be somewhere. But where? I feel like I'm going to circle, but I'm not sure. What? How are people getting there? And where is it at? This way. This way. Um. Oh, there it is. Yeah, did it. Particle shop. Let's see. Roblox logo. Come buy it. I'm gonna get man face. Is that all that there is I can buy with coins? Dodge out. Dodge the lasers. Alright, I got this. I got this. I got this. Let's go. This way. Okay, okay. There's two of us left. I was right. Oh. This way. Almost there. Come on, dance. Oh, over here, okay. Let's go. Diamond disappeared. How much diamonds I got? I got this. Made it. Oh, oh. Let's go. That was easy and quick. I'm surprised I didn't die in the beginning. Can I go back? Oh, man. I can't. I'll pay them. But I guess not. Let's go. Come in. Yes. Yo. We did it. Oh, he's the best player here. With the most coins. 35. Are these the best up here? Yeah, these are. What's this? Staff on the woodlands. Using this staff. Camouflage? Let's try it. Yo! Gonna use it all. I wanna be there first. Yes. Speed run this poop. Speed run it again. Speed run. Let's go. Gonna disappear. Yep. I am so tiny. Yes, I want to take a picture. It's Ogden in the picture. Let's see the picture. Yeah, I was in the picture. Oh. How did that person die? Yes. 221. Got it. I got him. I got him. All right, let's see what the next one is. Oh, yep, I got this. Oh, okay. Speed run it. Let's go. Let's go. All right, now that we have to wait is for the next people. Come on, one more, one more. This is taking a while. Oh, camouflage. I cannot fall off the edge. I cannot. Yeah. Bubble wrap. The popping. All right. See what the next one is. Finish the. Oh, yeah, okay. The maze again. Up here this time. Nope, it is a dead end. Up here. Oh yeah, I remember her. I remember. Isn't that like here? Yeah, I memorized the whole map. Let's see, what other stuff could I get? Stop hitting yourself. Click on a player to make them hit themselves. I need more stuff. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Okay, let's see what Bago noobs. Stand still. I'm choosing someone else. There. Okay, Bago noobs. Oh, death run. Okay. Gotta speed run it. Those people had to stay back. What? Hold up. But what? Dago noobs. Trampoline. Stop hitting yourself. Dago noobs. The bag of noobs just hit the floor. Oh, oh, oh. Watch out, guys. Watch out. That was close. Oh, oh, oh. No! Dang it. I thought I could make it. I thought I could make it. No. I thought I could make it. You just gotta be faster. Faster. Alright, let's keep looking. Gear shop. Fake bomb. Prank your friends. I did not mean to do that again. Bag of noobs. They're just standing there. Oh, oh. What? Why is my stop hitting yourself not working? Come on, gun. Bag of noobs. It just won't work. Oh. Hey. Oh, there's a cloud? Oh. I didn't do that. Wait, I don't have a basket anymore? No! Anywho, that's it for this video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.